We are going to subtract again today, but this time you have to write the numbers in. There's not boxes and they're not the writing the numbers for you. Okay, it's now your turn to write the numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
So we can do what any subtraction.
Oh no, I'm going to give you the problem. Okay, so the problem says there were 45 children at the party. Then 23 children left the party. They went bye-bye. Then that means you are doing what? Subtracting, right? Okay, so let's find the answer. Can we do 5 minus 3?
Yes.
Yes. If you have 5 cookies, you can take away 3. How many will you have left if you take away 3, everyone?
2.
Okay, then you have 4 minus 2.
2.
All right. 22 what?
22 children.
Let's write kids. So that it's not so long.
Children.
Okay, the next problem. Jamie made 52 cookies for the party. There were 21 sugar cookies. The rest were oatmeal. How many oatmeal cookies did Jamie make? So 21 were sugar. So now we're going to find how many were oatmeal. Okay? Can you do 5 minus 2? Or 2 minus 1, I'm sorry. Yes. What's 2 minus 1?
1.
Okay, can you do 5 minus 2?
Yes.
What is that?
3.
3 oatmeal cookies. Okay, Evan hung up 26 balloons for the party. 9 balloons fell down. How many are still up? You cannot do 6 minus 9, you told me. So you have to come over here and borrow from the 2. Now it's going to be only 1 10. You could give 10 to 6, but it makes it 16. 16 minus 9 is, everyone?
7.
1 minus 0 is?
1.
17 what?
Balloon.
You might have to go down with it if you can't write it all in there. Ball, and then oons.
Oh, I thought it was balloon.
It's balloons. There's no H. Ball. Did you write the word ball?
Yeah.
O-O-N-S. 2 O's. No H's.
Oh.
All right, next problem. Charlotte made 46 cupcakes for the party. 46. The children ate 39. How many cupcakes were left? You guys work that one out. Charlotte made 46 cupcakes. The children ate 39. Okay, Charlotte made 46 cupcakes. The children ate 39. Okay, do your subtraction. Can you do 6 minus 9?
No.
No, 9 is a bigger number than 6, so you have to come borrow, right? You took 1 away from 4, which makes it 3. You gave that 10 to the 6, which makes it 16. What's 16 minus 9? You just had that one on the other one. 7. What's 3 minus 3?
0.
Okay, so the answer is just 7 what?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Right, cupcakes. Okay, everybody go to the next page. Read the top part together and then you do your No, we're not going to do number 21.
Wait, you can make that something.
Yep.
Yay.
Cross out number 21.
I have to start from the top. Yeah.
Okay. 81 minus 36. Can you do 1 minus 6? No. So we need to do what?
Cross out the 1.
Cross out the 8 first and make it a. Then give the 10 to the 1, which makes it a.
11.
11 minus 6 is what? Sharon? 5. 7 minus 3. Money?
4.
45. Okay. Now we'll do Sharon's show. And then on your own is on your own. And back